Happy morning students. Today we are going to see exercise 4.3. First problem. The diameter of a circle is 52 centimeter and the length of one of its chord is 20 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. The problem belongs to page number 169. Solution. Radius of a circle is 52 divided by 2. Because here diameter is given, you have to find the radius from this. So 52 divided by 2 is 26 centimeter. So here O is the center of the circle and OA is the radius, that is 26 centimeter, and AB is the chord of the circle. So the length of the chord is 20, that is length of the chord is equal to 20 centimeter. So AC is equal to 20 divided by 2, that is 10 centimeter. So AC is 10 centimeter and CB is 10 centimeter. Now we can see two right angled triangle which is right angled at C. Here we are considering a triangle OAC. By using Pythagoras theorem, OC square is equal to OA square minus AC square, which is equal to 26 square minus 10 square, because here OA is the hypotenuse. So which is equal to, it is in the form of A square minus B square is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. So 26 minus 10 into 26 plus 10, which is equal to 26 minus 10 is 16 into 26 plus 10 is 36. So OC is equal to root of 16 into 36, which is equal to 4 4s are 16. So 4 into 6 6 are 36. Therefore OC is equal to 24 centimeter. Therefore distance of the chord from the center is equal to 24 centimeter. Problem number 2. The chord of length 30 centimeter is drawn at the distance of 8 centimeter from the center of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. The problem belongs to page number 169. So distance AC is equal to half into length of the chord. So here the length of the chord is 30 centimeter. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into 30, which is nothing but 15 centimeter. So distance from the center of the circle is 8 centimeter is given in the question. Then you can see a triangle OAC. In a triangle OAC, radius is equal to, you have to find the radius. So radius OA is equal to root of AC square plus OC square, which is equal to root of AC is nothing but 15 square. So 15 square plus OC is 8 square, which is equal to root of 225 plus 8 square is 64, which is equal to root of 225 plus 64 is 289, which is nothing but 17. Therefore we find the radius of the circle is equal to 17 centimeter. Problem number 3. Find the length of the chord AC where AB and CD are the two diameters perpendicular to each other of a circle with radius 4 root 2 centimeter, and also find angle OAC and angle OCA. So this problem belongs to page number 169. So solution, radius of a circle is equal to 4 root 2 centimeter, because here AB and CD are the two diameters of the circle and you have to find the length of the chord AC. So in this we can get a right angled triangle which is right angled at O. So in the triangle AOC, AC square is equal to OA square plus OC square. So AC square is equal to OA square is nothing but 4 root 2 square. Then OC square is also 4 root 2 square, which is equal to 4 square is 16. 16 into root 2 the whole square is 2, plus 4 square is 16. Then root 2 the whole square is 2, which is equal to 16 into 2 is 32 plus 32, which is equal to 64. Therefore AC is equal to root of 64. Therefore, AC is equal to 8 centimeter. That is, the length of the chord is equal to 8 centimeter. Then angle OAC is equal to angle OCA is equal to 45 degree, since the reason is OAC is an isosceles right angle triangle. So this is the reason for the angle A and C is 45 degree. Problem number 4. A chord is 12 cm away from the center of the circle of radius 15 cm. Find the length of the chord. The problem belongs to page number 169. Solution. So the radius of a circle OA is equal to 15 cm. The radius of the circle is 15 cm and distance from the center of the chord is 12 cm. So in a triangle OAC, AC square is equal to OA square minus OC square, which is equal to 15 square minus 12 square, which is equal to 15 square is 225 minus 12 square is 144, which is equal to 81. So AC is equal to root of 81. AC is equal to 9 centimeter. Then you have to find the length of the chord. So the length of the chord AB is equal to AC plus CB, which is equal to 9 plus 9, because now we find AC is equal to 9. So AC plus CB is the length of the chord. So 9 plus 9, you get 18 centimeter. Problem number 5. In a circle, AB and CD are the two parallel chords with center O and radius 10 cm, such that AB is equal to 16 cm and CD is equal to 12 cm. Determine the distance between the two chords. The problem belongs to page number 170. So in this circle, we can see the two chords AB and CD both are parallel with the center O. So the length of the chord AB is equal to 16 cm. AF is equal to 1 by 2 into 16, which is equal to 8 cm. Then again length of the chord CD is equal to 12 cm. So CE is equal to 1 by 2 into 12, which is equal to 6 cm. So in a right angled triangle AOCE. So here we are taking the triangle OCE. OE square is equal to OC square minus CE square, which is equal to 10 square minus 6 square, which is equal to 100 minus 36, which is equal to 64. Therefore, OE is equal to root of 64, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Again, choosing another one right angle triangle, angle O. Triangle OAF. OF square is equal to OA square minus AF square, which is equal to 10 square minus 8 square is equal to 100 minus 64, which is equal to 36. Therefore, OF is equal to root 36, which is nothing but 6 centimeter. So distance between the two chords is equal to OE plus EF, which is equal to 8 plus 6 is 14 centimeter. Problem number 6. Two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between the center is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. The problem belongs to page number 170. So here we can see two circles of radius. One is 5 cm and another one is 3 cm. Intersect at 2 points. So the distance between the center is 4 cm. You have to find the length of the common chord. Here we can see two circles intersect at, here they intersect, so this is C and D. So the two circles intersect at C and D. So CD is the common chord for both the circles. So CD is equal to AC plus AD. So which is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the common chord is equal to 6 centimeter. That's all. Problem number 7. Find the value of x degree in the following figures. Page number 170. Already we see the example problem like this. That is example 4.7. That's very simple. Here we are using the angle subtended by using the theorem. The angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it any point on the remaining part of the circle. So in this first figure we can see a point ABC on the circumference of the circle. Here O is the center of the circle. So the given angle BOC is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 90 degree. Then angle BAC is nothing but x, which is equal to 1 by 2 times of angle BOC. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into 90 degree. Therefore x is equal to 45 degree. Then problem number 7, second subdivision. Here we can see a circle. You have to find the value of x. So join OP. So by using dotted lines, you just join OP. We can see angle OPR is equal to 80 divided by 2. We get 40 degree. So angle of the circumference is 1 by 2 the angle at the center. So angle RPO. So angle RPO is equal to 30 degree because OP and OR. So OP and OR are equal sides. So angle OPQ is equal to, angle OPQ is nothing but 40 degree minus 30 degree, which is equal to 10 degree. Therefore, angle OQP is equal to 10 degree because OQ and OP are equal sides. Therefore, we find x is equal to 10 degree. Next, problem number 7, third subdivision. Angle OPN is equal to angle ONP, which is equal to 90 degree. So here we can see angle P and angle N is equal to 90 degree because ON and OP are the radius of the circle. So we can see these two are the radius of the circle. So in a triangle OPN, we can see one angle is given and other one is x degree. So this is also we consider as x because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can choose this as x because adjacent angles. So in a triangle OPN, angle PON plus angle ONP plus angle NPO is equal to 180 degree because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Then angle PON is nothing but 70 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 70. 2x is equal to 2x degree is equal to 110 degree. X is equal to 110 degree by 2. Then x is equal to 55 degree. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 55 degree. Problem number 7, fourth subdivision. Here we can see a circle with center O. So reflex angle YOZ. Here we can see the reflex angle YOZ is equal to 2 times of angle YXZ, which is equal to 2 into 120 degree, which is equal to 240 degree. Then YOZ is equal to 360 degree minus reflex of angle YOZ, which is equal to 360 degree minus 240 degree. We get angle x is equal to 120 degree. Problem number 7, fifth subdivision. Angle OAC. Here we can see angle OAC plus angle OCA is equal to 180 degree minus 100, which is equal to 80 degree. Then angle OAC is equal to half of 80 degree, which is equal to 40 degree. Therefore angle A, that is half of angle A, is 40 degree. So OA is equal to OC. OA and OC are the radius. So angle OAC is equal to angle OCA. Similarly, angle OBA plus angle OAB is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree is equal to 40 degree. So by using the same criterion, angle OBA, so OBA is equal to OAB, rendu equal, then OB is equal to OA. Therefore angle OAB is equal to 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20 degree. So இப்போ இது 40 இது 20 இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு whole x ஓட வேல்யூ கிடைச்சிரும். So angle BAC is equal to angle OAB plus angle OAC, which is equal to 20 plus 40. Therefore the value of x is equal to 60 degree. Then problem number 8, last problem of this exercise. This is your homework problem. In the given figure, angle CAB is equal to 25 degree. Find angle BDC, angle DBA and angle COB. So this is the respective figure. You find the angle of DB and O. So thank you students. Up to this exercise 4.3 is over.